everyone. In this presentation, we would like to talk about our life experience. First, we will tell you about an important object from Lina's life. Second, we will explain our metaphor for life about it. And finally, we will describe in detail various experiences from our lives.
First, as you can see from the poster, Lina's object is DVD, headband, and mouse guard. There are sports day days.
Next, we'll describe our metaphor for life with regard to this object. Life is like sports day race. I and my classmates practiced a lot for this race. Practice was very hard, but it taught me to make an effort with friends, and it taught me to an effort leads to a good result.
Now let's hear about some of our life experience with regard to Aoi, the happiest day she has ever had was settled participation of a prefectural meet of volleyball.
In terms of the Lina, the best person she have ever met was Park Romi. She is first voice actor. Lina met her in August of the last year at Human Academy School. Lina's dream is a voice actor, so she was very happy to be able to meet her.
As for me, the most exciting day she had ever had was school trip over high school because it was her first time to go abroad. She stayed in her host family's house. They were kind for her.
In relation to Yuka, the DVD of the national competition are important. She had belonged of brass band club for 6 years. When I was high school student, my brass band club won the Hokuriku branch competition and entered the national competition. When she saw the DVD, I recalled pain of practice and worry. But nowadays, I consider that I had a good time. The experience teach me importance of never give up to the very end.
In conclusion, we think that learning from our life experience is important because every experience made us grow up. Thank you very much, everyone.